Hello guys, today we'll learn how to import a animation from Dash perfectly in Unreal Engine. There is no bone issue. You can see this is perfect as like using a animation in Dash. You can anytime export it without any issue in Unreal Engine. This will be a easy and short class. Please stay with us and watch the full video. So let's begin. So first of all, you can see we are already import a dash character here, Anna. And if you don't know how to import a dash character correctly, you can watch my previous video. There is lots of video for dash model import in Unreal Engine. So we are already import the dash model here. So we just head back to our dash, and here you can see we have an animation. So you can see our animation work perfectly. It's a walking animation work in a circle. So we are export it from this and input it in Unreal Engine correctly. So for this we are just go to the file, and here we send to just to Unreal here. And for this time, we for the skeleton mesh, we select the animation section. And another things we need to know, um, for animation, please also try to not export the morph and not bake subdivision, because this causes more pressure to your PC, and sometimes the desk and Unreal Engine was crash. And you can see in this animation we have no facial expression, so we don't need any transfer face bone. So if you have an animation with face bone reaction expression, you can tick this. But other the function, the bake, you need to false it. Transfer active curve also false. Apply bone scales also false. Fixed twist bone, we don't need it because this is a Genesis 9 character, so we make it false. If you import a Genesis 8 character, you can true it. And for the advanced settings, don't make it true, because if you make this true, sometimes your animation, your character animation, like some crash. Okay, so don't need it. We don't need it. We just make these things, use a new export here. And also in Unreal Engine, we are go to project settings, and here we have an option in plugins called dash to Unreal Engine settings. The settings, make the settings like me, same as me. Okay, not do anything further. If you uh, make through the frame zero reference pose and combine identical materials, your animation will not export perfectly. I don't know why this cause, I don't know, but I find the only solution to import a animation correctly in Unreal Engine. These three options must be true, and these three options must be false. Okay, is it clear? So let's head back to this, and here we are just select Anna and we rename it Anna walk, and we are select animation, so we just press accept. Okay, so our animation is done here. So we just close the dash 3D software, and here in the Unreal Engine section, we are already import our characters. So in the skeleton, we select Anna skeleton, and other function keep it default, and we are just import all. And now our animation is perfectly import, we just make it save, and let's go to Dash, and there will be Dash to Unreal. There will be already uh, automatically making a folder called animation. We are just go there, and you can see our walking animation is here, and you can see our animation perfectly import in Unreal Engine. There is no bone issue. You can see for the heel pose, my character leg pose is here. Uh, is perfectly what I make in Dash. What the animation, what kind of the animation I make in Dash, I can make perfectly. I can perfectly import it in Dash, in Unreal Engine. Sorry. So here, let's check. We have just drag this animation here, and let's hit play, and you can see our animation is perfect. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I am always here for beginner. If you know something from me, please comments. I will try to solve it. uh, please subscribe and share my channels, because 90% of viewer of my channels not subscribe my channels. Please give me support and subscribe, and be safe.